both of them really, they used the bully pulpit. They used reason and explanation. They never used, power as a coercive force. That's my impression of them, that they were effective in developing philanthropy in Michigan, expanding philanthropy to the community foundations, to the youth philanthropy initiative that you have in Michigan, to moving philanthropy and into communities, developing nonprofit organizations, etc., by using the bully pulpit, by using their persuasive powers, by explaining and bringing people along, rather than using any kind of coercive approach. From my perspective, that's the only way to do things. That's the most effective way to do things, and that's what real leadership's all about.